anything over modern education right now. तुम इस दौर में दीनी तालीम की बुद्धि बनी हो. The world is moving at the speed of light. If students aren't mastering critical scientific thinking, they are going to be left behind in a global economy that doesn't wait for anyone. Technology से खाली शख्स आज के वक्त में तरक्की नहीं कर सकता.
I hear you on the career front, Anam. लेकिन तालीम बस कारखाने के मजदूर बनाने के लिए होती है. Modern education teaches you how to work, but religious education teaches you why you should be a good person while doing it. आपका साइंस इखलाक नहीं बना सकता.
I would argue that ethics and being a good person aren't exclusive to religion. कि सारे दीनी तालीम से आते हैं. Modern education incorporates philosophy, sociology, civic studies. These subjects help to teach empathy and logic based on universal human rights rather than specific doctrines. हर सवाल उठाती है modern तालीम, which is the root of all innovation.
But that's exactly the point. In the rush to question everything, we have lost our sense of community and shared values. कायनात को समझने की दौड़ में हम अपनी जात को भूलते जा रहे हैं. Religious education offers a sense of identity and a connection to the history that spans thousands of years. इससे तलबा को एक एंकर, एक ठहराव मिलता है. Without that anchor, you have the people who are technologically brilliant but morally lost.
Really? ठहराव दे रहा है, ये ठहरा ही दे रहा है. Modern education is inclusive. It prepares you to live in a pluralistic society where you will meet people of all faiths or none. If you spend your formative years focusing on one religious viewpoint, then you risk developing a us versus them mentality. आज के वक्त की जरूरतें ही अलग है. We need scientists who can solve climate change, not scholars who are stuck debating ancient texts.
तुम्हें नहीं लगता कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया? Many of the greatest scientists in the history were deeply religious. Religious education doesn't have to be anti-science. It's about providing the ethical framework for that science. अच्छे और बुरे की समझ ना हो तो यही साइंस मुसीबत बन जाती है.
I agree that ethics are vital, but I will still put my money on a curriculum that evolves. सीखने लायक इल्म वो है जो बेहतर से बेहतर होता जाए. The beauty of modern education is that it is self-correcting. When new data comes in, textbook changes. Religious education by definition is based on unchanging truth. In a world changes every day. जो बदलेगा नहीं तो भी मतलब हो जाएगा.
इस तूफानी दौर में वही बाकी रहता है जो बदलता नहीं. Maybe the ideal isn't one or the other, but a synthesis where the mind is trained by the modern world and the soul is guided by tradition.
Friends, I overheard. आप दोनों सही भी हो और गलत भी. The goal of a modern balanced education is to create an aware citizen, someone who can navigate while remaining grounded in a selfless moral framework. यकीनन हमें एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी को समझने की ज़रूरत है, लेकिन उसके इस्तेमाल का सही पैमाना हमें दीन के उसूलों ही से मिल सकता है. Modern education provides the tools for critical thinking, while religious education provides the historical narratives that help students empathize with the human condition. सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका यही है कि हम एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से एक आला किरदारों वाली दुनिया बनाएं. A world where life is as important as the means of living.
Wow, that is a quite balanced and sensible view.
Mashallah.
Thank you. I appreciate your understanding.